Good evening, all. What's happening? Good evening. Good evening, Arun, Ruchita, Aisha, Bhargavi. Good evening, Chaitanya. General doubt. End of the evening, right? आज थोड़ा late हुआ. Mohan, good evening. So let's start the session. So we should start. By this time, we should be in the sequential circuit. So hopefully today we'll start this. Okay, let me complete the leftover part of the combinational circuits. What is the leftover part? Let us see. Tomorrow, na? Rahul. Lagging. Is it okay now? Yes, Saurabh. From our side, no issue. We have good internet connection, no problem. So let's start. So before going to the sequential circuit, let me complete the leftover part of the combinational circuit. Okay. So no Geo fiber is not available in my hometown, right? So the local provider is there. I'm taking from. So we are discussing in the last lecture. If you remember, decoders are being discussed. I have done some extension of the decoder problem also. Now let's see how to implement functions using decoder. So how is your weekend? Okay, sleeping. Very good. TikTok means doing TikTok or what? Yeah, weekend goes 2x speed. Mine fine. I stayed at home only. Any lagging is there? Can I refresh again? Okay. Is it okay now? Am I audible to you? Audible, visible, everything fine? Okay. So because it is Monday, some initial glitches are there. Don't worry. Even system also don't want to work today. So let's start with the problem. Don't worry, Asif. I am also in red zone only. Same as you. That's why I'm not moving anywhere. We both are in the same zone. But somehow I got internet connection by after struggling 3 days. Yes, no problem. So this is the question. Implement half adder and half subtractor using 2 by 4 demux. Thank you. Okay. Everybody need to stay safe. Okay. Not only whatever maybe this one, maybe few months same condition. You know, 2 by 4 demux is nothing but 2 by 4. Just come back to the class of B. What about cast A B bar? Similarly, what about difference and borrow? Sigma m of 1. I hope you remember this. Okay. So now let's make this or implement this using what? Only one decoder. So let me take one 2 by 4 decoder. 2 by 4 decoder. You should give the inputs A and B and the enable input En. We should make enable is equal to 1 and it contains 4 outputs. Now, what is the first one? Half adder. Half adder is the sum of the minterms 1 and 2. Okay, so very simple. Understand, take this 1 and 2, give it to an OR gate. That's all. Because this line will be 1 when it is 0 1. This line will be 1 when it is 1 0. Indirectly, these lines are nothing but minterms here. Indirectly, this 0 1 2 3 are nothing but minterms. Okay, this will give you your sum and this line will give you carry. Similarly, if you take this line, it will work as your difference and this line will also work as your borrow. So if you take these two outputs, it will work like a half subtractor. And if you take these two bottom, half adder. So single decoder can implement multiple functions. What happened? What reversed? 1 minute. Okay, okay, don't worry. So this is your difference and this is correct your bar. No problem, Madhuri. I'm also late today. Is it lagging? What? Yeah, today it's not going to be. Yeah, this is the first slide. I refresh again. Whenever it lags, please tell me. Actually, from our side, it is okay. Our net connection is doing well, fine. Now, okay. 1 minute. 1 minute. Any issue still regarding video? Any issue now? No problem. Just let me refresh because our internet. Is it okay now? Okay. Right. Okay. Anytime some issue is there, just we can refresh. It will come back. No problem. So listen here. One important point. For mux, earlier we discussed, mux can implement only one function at a time. I told this or not? Mux can implement only one function at a time. But decoder can implement multiple functions also, but it will take extra gates for required. Let me show you that. Using one decoder, you can implement more number of functions, not like mux. So let me try to implement full adder using your decoder. So you have three inputs. 8 outputs. Zero, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So this is a simple question. Implement full adder using 3 to 8 decoder. What is full adder? Full adder contains two parts. What are they? Sum. Sigma m of 1247. Very good. Carry. Sigma m of 3, 5, 6, 7. So let's implement this. Sigma m of 1247. 1, 2, 4, and 7. And give it to OR gate. Next. What is that? Sum of the mean terms 3, 5, 6, 7. Take 3, 5, 6, and 7. Then it will make, give it to OR gate. That will make your carry. Okay. Now please listen. Whether these expressions are correct or not, sir, very simple. Please understand. Each line represents one min term. Okay, enable will be 1. When 0, 0, 0 comes, this line will become 1. When 0, 0, 1 comes, this line will become 1. 0, 1, 0 comes, this line will become 1. So, like that, when the input is 1 or 2 or 4 or 7, any one of them will be 1 and OR gate will give you 1 in the output. Is this clear what I am saying? Sum of the min terms 1 to 4, 7. Okay. So here, when I discussed about mux, you need 2 muxes to implement this. For decoder, you need only 1 decoder, but extra OR gates are required. You want to implement more functions also, possible with 1 decoder. Next. Right. So let's do this question. Earlier I told in the mux, if, please listen everybody. In the mux earlier what I told, if POS is given, what to do? While discussing about mux in the last lecture, if POS is given, convert into SOP and implement it, I told. But here in the decoder logic, you can do both. That is, you want to implement by SOP, your wish. If you want to implement by POS, you can do it. How? Listen here. Just listen. So first I am taking 2 questions are there here. Use SOP, POS, active high and active low. All the possibilities you need to implement. Just listen first. The first case, using 1 minute please. One minute. Some marker issue is there. Okay. What happened today? This marker also not writing. It is also not in the mode. Now I will do that, Bhargavi. Don't worry. That is the intention of this question. So firstly, listen. Active high. Yeah, sub weekend mode में. So first we see active high. Then we see active low. What is active high? Active high ka meaning is very simple. By default, all outputs are zero. Okay. It seems like that. Listen. By default, all are at zeros. Whenever it is activated, like this here, you see, by default, all will be zeros. Everything will be zeros. When you give one input, फिर lagging. क्या हो रहा है पे? Is it okay now? Yes. Okay. Listen here. Please listen, everybody. One minute. Please tell me again. Is it lagging? No. Shall I continue? Okay. Everybody listen. I am repeating the repeating. Please listen. It is in phase. Oh, nice, Aman. So unity power factor. So please listen. By default, all are set 0. Whenever you give the input 1, 0, 1, for example, fifth one will become 1, remaining all will be 0. This is what we call active high. When it is activated, that line will become 1. Active high. There is another possibility, that is reverse of this thing. What is the reverse of this thing? By default, all will be at zeros. Sorry, by default, all will be at 1. Active low. In that case, your output will have some bubbles. Bubble is nothing but what? Invert. Okay, this is what we call active low. You may have the doubts, sir, why active low, why active high. All those doubts will be cleared. Just wait for some time. So let's come to here. What is active low? And the 3 input measure high. All those 3 input equal to sigma m of 3567. Okay. It is also equal to product of max terms. If you face some difficulty, please comment. So actually speed is fine. It is around 50 Mbps. No. This is upload and download. Upload is around 43. From my side, no issue is there. Okay. We do one thing. Ping is less than 10 only. Na? Ping should be as low as possible. Okay. There is a possibility I can turn off this video. You can turn off. Okay, let me try to switch off this video maybe. Again. I think is don't Okay, so shall we continue the issue? Why to take this dose on single day, or we may make it 15 minutes 8 days, that doesn't matter, we can manage it. uh, so still the problem is there. And trials, okay, this is the last trial we are going. Any kind of lag, so let's end. Good night for today. Good night.